So when everybody at the city is kind and nice and friendly and helpful, and they get you water so that you can have coffee from the human resources Keurig, then what? What do you got left? You got left that he's nervous because two idiots with cameras are where they probably shouldn't be, and he's nervous about what's going on, so that makes him a bad person, right? Because he's worried about mass gun people and stuff like that in the news. So that's what we're gonna do, James. I guess we're just gonna make fun of people because they get nervous on camera. What did you win by this? I did my little audit, and obviously mine was somewhat tongue in cheek. I didn't expect to have any trouble. I knew I wouldn't have any trouble because, not being an idiot, I asked if I could film before I filmed. And I talked and joked with the very pleasant sheriff's deputy who was there manning the scanning the metal detector. So I knew there I was just doing it for fun and grins. I mean, I think that stuff up there is cool, but you're doing this for a reason. What are you doing, James? Are you showing how bad these government employees are? Because you sure didn't do that. I mean, you showed one guy who was nervous on camera, and that's about it. Are you keeping them honest, James? Are you checking up on them? Are you making sure that they're appropriately using time and resources and things like that? Because I don't think you. I mean, you didn't hold them accountable in any way. All you really did was waste this poor guy's time and drank some of the city's coffee. I mean, congratulations. I'd offer you a cookie, but Felipe ate them all. I don't understand what you. Maybe you're just doing this to be able to post something up and show that you're active. So that's great. Congratulations. I don't know what you think you're proving by this, but First Amendment, yay!